and stuff like that. But I'm also some of the voices you guys hear in a subway train station, such as the guy that says, where's my echo? There it is. The next Uptown Express train is approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform edge. Yes, that's my voice, but they fired me because I said, the next Uptown Express train will arrive in 10 days.
Did you say 10 days?
Yes, 10 days.
Why is that?
Oh, that's scary. And if you guys want to know who does the recorded voice on a subway train, yes, that's me too. I'm the guy that says, stand clear of the poles and doors, please. Yes, that's me too, but they fired me because I said, ladies and gentlemen, we are being delayed because I don't know where I'm going. Please be patient. Transfer is available to the same train you're on, so don't bother getting off. Why even make the announcement? I have no idea. So yes, I do voices, but I also make real sounds, such as crickets. Don't eat those, they don't taste good. Helicopters. I think they landed over there. And if you guys want to know how I can make two sounds at the same time, I do have a confession. I have a radio stuck in my nose, playing gunman style. I gotta get that fixed. That's why they call me for police. And here's a really annoying sound. Let me turn on an echo. Flies, they go. That's nasty. Flies, I hate that sound. And if somebody ever calls you guys on their cell phones, you know, the thing that goes like this. What is that? Is that you?
I farted.
Oh, that's nasty. Get back to work, boy.
Sorry.
And you can't do SpongeBob without the laugh. So yes, but if somebody calls you guys on your cell phone and you don't want to talk to them, I'll get rid of them by picking up the phone and saying, we're sorry, the person you are trying to reach is not available. Please hang up and don't try again. Message L16. Are you still on the phone? Please hang up. We said we don't want to talk to you. Message L17. Or I'll give them the other message. I'll say, at the subscriber's request, this phone is not accepting any incoming calls. Message L19. And if none of those work, I'll give them an evil laugh like this. Hang off the phone. That's scary. It's funny coming from a lace. Now we'll do everybody's, well, not that one. Now we'll do everybody's favorite one, Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne, but I'm going to play the guitar part on my neck, hopefully without biting my tongue, and I'm going to have invisible backup singers help me out. So here we go. Crazy Train, Ozzy Osbourne. Check it out. With the bass. Crazy train.